4 morning habits to make your skin glow. You can start your day feeling good with a face that looks naturally radiant. I know it's difficult to maintain a natural glow and radiance, but what if I told you it is achievable? Having glowing, clear, and healthy skin is possible if you follow these 4 early morning habits. 1. Drink up, but not coffee. The first thing that you should get into your system should be water, as your body needs to rehydrate after waking up. If you don't like water, you could add some lemon and honey. Green tea and coconut water are great alternatives as well. Don't worry, you can still drink your coffee, but wait till breakfast. 2. Do your skincare routine. Every morning without excuses. Use products that are gentle and effective. Keep the routine simple and quick, so you can get on with your day easily. Use a gentle cleanser. Use an alcohol-free toner. Finish with a moisturizer with natural ingredients and sunscreen to keep a radiant and youthful look. 3. Exercise. The best way to revitalize your skin and body is working out, especially aerobic exercise, which is great to rid your body of toxins. Try to exercise outside instead of at the gym as often as you can, so your body gets fresh air and vitamin D. 4. Eating a good breakfast is the key to good health and fitness. A hearty breakfast is crucial for losing weight, improving your skin texture, and building your immunity. Try to make your breakfasts as colorful as you can. Include a filling cereal, fruits, protein, and some good fats. Stop skipping good things in the morning and include these healthy habits. You'll notice a difference in your overall health in no time, and your skin will glow too.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.